Someone hurt you, and they got away with it. They lied, they betrayed you, they took what was yours, and then they moved on, like nothing happened, like you didn't matter. And the part that hurts the most? It looks like God didn't do anything about it. Stay right there, because that is exactly what this message is about. I want to talk to someone who has been carrying this. Not for days, for months, maybe years. The person who wronged you is still winning, still comfortable, still unbothered. And you've been told, forgive them, pray for them, let it go. And you have forgiven them, you've prayed, you've let it go 100 times. But the injustice is still there, the wound is still there. And deep down there is a question you're almost afraid to ask. God, did you see what they did to me? I need you to hear this today. He saw everything, every word, every betrayal, every night you cried alone, every time they got the credit that was yours, every door they closed in your face, every lie they told about you. God saw all of it. Psalm 94 verse 1 says, "The Lord is a God who avenges, shine forth." He is not passive, he is not blind, he is not indifferent, he is a God who avenges. Romans 12:19 says, "Do not take revenge, my dear friends, but leave room for God's wrath. For it is written, 'It is mine to avenge, I will repay,' says the Lord." Did you catch that? He said, "It is mine," not "it is yours to fight," not "handle it yourself," not "just move on." Mine. God personally claimed your case. And here's what that means. When God takes a case, he doesn't settle for partial justice. Remember Job, everything was taken from him, his family, his wealth, his health, his reputation. And God didn't just restore what Job lost. Job 42:10 says, "The Lord restored his fortunes and gave him twice as much as he had before." Twice, not equal, not barely restored, double. That is the economy of God's justice. He doesn't just right the wrong, he reverses it so completely that what was meant to destroy you becomes the foundation of something greater than what you had before. I want to speak directly to you right now. The person or situation that wronged you, God has not forgotten it. His timing is not your timing. His silence is not his absence. He has been building a case, and the moment he moves, it will not be a small correction. It will be a complete reversal. The person who took from you will become the instrument of your restoration. The door they closed will open into something they could never have given you. The lie they told about you will be exposed, and what replaces it will be a testimony so powerful that even the people who doubted you will have no words. God says to you today, "I saw everything they did to you, and I am about to respond."